Hi, I'm Nelson, and this is the Sir Nelson English School. In this school, we help you to improve your reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills. We also help you to pass the IELTS test. In this particular video, we are going to focus on adjectives. What are adjectives? An adjective is a describing word. A describing word. It tells you more about a noun. An adjective usually appears before the noun it describes. Sometimes, though, the adjective appears after the noun later in the sentence. For example, number 1, dirty. The word dirty is an adjective. It's describing shoes, dirty shoes. Number 2, clean, clean shoes. Clean is the adjective, shoes is the noun. Because there are two, we add s, we don't use r. Clean shoes. 3, old shoes. 4, new shoes. Remember to write this in your notebook. Number 5, an old man. Remember to add an because the man is one. Number 6, a young girl. 7, a difficult equation. 8, an easy equation. 10, 9, a noisy woman or a talkative woman. 10, a quiet girl. 11, a rich man. 12, a poor man. 13, a fast car. 14, a slow car. 15, an expensive hotel. 16, a cheap hotel. 17, a funny man. 18, a serious man. 19, a dry land. 20, a wetland. 21, a tall man. 23, a short man. 25, a strong man. 26, a weak man. 27, a dead chicken. 28, an alive chicken. 29, a narrow road. 30, a wide road. Now let us look at more about adjectives. Adjectives, we have what we call positive, comparative, and the superlative. The positive means you describe one thing or one person. Comparative means you are comparing two things or two people. Superlative means you are comparing more than two people, more than two things. Lazy, lazier, lazier, the laziest. The superlative, we add the word the. Remember to add er if the adjective is short. If the adjective is long, then you have to add, you have to form the comparative with using more. Y, change the Y to I and add er. Lazy, lazier, the laziest. Do the rest of the adjectives. These are long adjectives. If the adjective is long, we use the word more in the comparative. In the superlative, we use the word the most. Positive, thin. These very short words, we double the last letter when we are writing. Do that in your notebook. These are irregular comparatives. We don't add er or we don't add est, but they form their comparative and superlative in an irregular way. For example, good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Little, less, the least. Far, farther, the farthest. Much, more, the most. Some, more, the most. Many, more, the most. You have to memorize this. The positive describes one person or one thing. For example, he is tall. There is another way. You can say he's a tall man. We can add a common noun. He's thin. he's a thin man. He's light-skinned, he's a light-skinned man. He's handsome, he's a handsome man. Comparative degree, you're comparing two. For example, sentences 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are describing the people in the picture. We use the word than in the comparative. We add er if the adjective is short. If the adjective is long, like playful, we use more. Use these to write sentences about the picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, it is the comparative because we have two people in the picture. Next, use Obama and Trump to compare. You can use these adjectives. Use the comparative because there are only two.